Assalamu alaikum 6th class. I'm your English teacher Ma'am Hira. Today we are reading English. This is your book of English. Please open it. Open it in this way. Let's go to unit number 1, which is on page number 1. We have completed our unit number 1. We have completed the reading and pre-reading skills as well. We have mentioned the meanings of the difficult words like this. You have also. Next to that was about the poet. We have done about the poet. After that it is listening and speaking focus. We have also done that in our morning classes. Below that is comprehension focus, which was remaining, and we will do this comprehension focus today. After that there is main idea. We have also done the main idea in our morning classes, and you have to learn this main idea by your heart. You have to learn it by whole heart. Next to that is the gapped summary. Look at this. This is the gapped summary. Gapped summary means the summary is written, but there are certain gaps into that. There are blanks into that summary, and you have to fill the blanks like this. How will you fill the blanks? You will fill the blanks by the 5 words given at the top. These are fight, patriotism, flag, loyal, and success. You have to fill the gap summary like this, as I have filled this. Let me tell you the words. The poet showed his feelings of patriotism. What will come in the first blank? Patriotism. The poem is about the country's dash. Here comes the next word, flag. The poem is about the country's flag. Number 3 is our flag is our identification of dash, success. Success means kamyabi. Next to that is the more we are dash to our country, loyal. Loyal means wafadar. And the last blank is we should never dash with each other, we should never fight with each other. Just fill these 5 blanks like this and come to the comprehension focus. Comprehension focus is given on page number 2. Answer the following questions. Now I have written the answers of the questions given here for you guys so that you could better understand this. Look at the board here. This is our comprehension focus. First of all, my dear class, you have to write date and day and mention HW at the center of the page. Next to that, you will write unit number 1 and the name of the unit, our duty to our flag. Next to that, you will write the comprehension focus, the topic of today, comprehension focus. After writing all this, you will write question number 1, who wrote the poem Our Duty to Our Flag? This is question number 1. Answer to that question is, I have color differentiated them so that you could identify the answer and question easily. Answer of question number 1 is Edgar Allan Guest. Look at this, Edgar Allan Guest. इस पोएम को किसने लिखा है? We have to tell the name of the poet. That is Edgar Allan Guest. Next to that is question number 2. What is meant by less hate and greed? Less hate and greed का क्या मतलब है? उसका आंसर है उसके नीचे. It means we should not hate each other, neither we should have greed. This is the answer of question number 2. Note it down. Next to that is question number 3. What does our national flag symbolizes? हमारा national flag क्या show करता है? किस चीज़ का symbol है? It is the symbol of freedom and national pride. It is the symbol of freedom and national pride. Next to that is question number 4. What is the theme of the poem? What is the central idea, main idea, why the poem was written, on which point of view? Answer to that is, the theme of the poem is we should love our country and respect our flag. This poem is all about we should love our country and respect our flag. These are the 4 question answers what we have done today in the morning class. I hope you all guys have understood these 4. You have to note it down just like this. I have written on your neat copies by proper mentioning question and answer, and draw a single line at the end. Do it on your neat copies so that you could have a record of comprehension focus on your copies. Alright class, and learn these 4 questions by heart. You have to learn all of them. By the next class I will first ask these questions to you, then we will go on for the next topic. Alright class, stay at home, protect yourself and your family from COVID-19, and don't waste your time. Utilize your time in reading, in learning. Okay class, take care.